Google recently announced a breakthrough in terms of quantum computing. They're able to use error correction to get a more reliable system than was previously possible. And I think quantum is an interesting example of the science that hasn't made it into the popular imagination yet. We don't quite understand it on an everyday basis. Even some of the founders of quantum computing, including Richard Feynman, suggested that no one would understand it. And von Neumann said, you don't understand things in math, you just get used to them. But we're now kind of getting into our culture for the first time, this idea that quantum is going to be important, at least for non-scientists. But what's interesting is quantum mechanics is 100 years old. And as the general public, we're now just learning that this might be important in terms of everyday news cycles. So this would suggest that the current scientific revolutions that are happening now in 2025, while they might be fiercely debated and hotly discussed inside the scientific community, the general public probably won't hear about these ideas for the equivalent of 100 years. And now things are moving faster, so it might not take that long. But compared to how important these ideas are, it may be not happening fast enough. What do you think science actually looks like today in 2025? What do you think is the most important emerging area of science that no one's talking about? Let us know what you think.